Hey everyone, Carlos over at BearBullTraders.com. Here's my recap for today. Basically breaking even for the day, probably negative $30 after I add in commission, so net negative 30. I guess you could consider that a red day. But I couldn't find anything that was moving with momentum besides GRPN. I was able to get a good opening range or ABCD pattern on GRPN, so we'll go over this trade. And then the rest I was stopped out. B-Box was a low flow stock, and this one was a low flow stock as well, because our gappers this morning didn't really have any of the mid to large floats stocks that were gapping or that were in play. So I took a stab out of those, and those didn't work out. Which is okay. Again, stick to your stop loss and take small shares just to make sure you don't blow up your account or take a loss that's bigger than what your account can handle. So on GRPN, I went long here. We all in the chat room saw this buying pressure above the VWAP, so it looked like a good possible long, and it did turn out to be a good move. I went heavy because you can really manage your risk. As you can see here, you're not moving a lot of cents, just a few cents. On the way up, I started taking profits. This move happened very fast. I couldn't time it at the top, but I was able to take some profits, and then I took the rest here before the stock started dropping. So this was a good trade that was very profitable. Then a few minutes later, the stock did drop below the VWAP, and then it kind of did this engulfing pattern. Now I have traded this before on mid flow stocks and large flow stocks, and this is actually I think a large flow stocks or mid. I'm not sure right now, but it has worked in the past before very well. It has been very profitable for me, and the probability of this, testing the higher day is pretty high, at least from my experience. So I went long as soon as it cracked the VWAP, and it just kind of stalled here. It kind of just hugged the VWAP, did a small consolidation, and then it completely lost it. Once it lost it, I got out completely. I was stopped out, and I gave some of the profits back. But overall, very happy with this trade because, again, I'm becoming more disciplined at getting stopped out. So I want my red days to be very small, and obviously my green ones to let them run. So, and then what happens a few minutes later just shows me, the reason why it's always a good choice to stop out when things are not going your way. This thing just continued to drop. I should have this would have been a good short here once it lost this low of the day, but I was watching something else, so I didn't take this trade. That's it, guys. Hopefully the rest of the week turns out to be better, and we can get some more stocks in play than we did today, and hope everyone had a good Monday. Thanks.